Hello everybody! Last Thursday we unboxed some smelly clothes. This Thursday we're going to unbox something a little different.
Never to the left. Oh, that cart with a jack of wheels.
Oh god, oh god. Oh god. Ew, this looks terrible.
Alright, so today we've got something really cool. This is TwoBlindBrothers. It's not really an unboxing, it's, what'd you call it?
It's an unbagging.
Unbagging.
Bubbling.
We ordered this, and Sarah's going to explain to you a little bit about what this is and how it works and so forth, because it's a really cool story behind this.
Okay. So, this is TwoBlindBrothers. That's the company. It's actually two brothers that are blind. Or partially blind. They have a disease, it's called Stargardt's disease, and that disease actually affects your central vision, and your peripheral vision stays, but your central vision gets progressively worse. So just like imagine looking at somebody's face and not seeing like any part of their face, like their eyes or their mouth or their nose.
That would be weird.
And just seeing like around their face. So just central vision is like completely dark or like blurred out, and then I guess it gets progressively worse. So all of the proceeds from these sales go to blind charities, and also working on, I guess, a cure for the disease, the degenerative eye disease.
It's pretty cool. So whatever's in this, we're actually going to auction it on our eBay store, and we're going to donate 100% of whatever this sells for to Guide Dogs of America. So for seeing eye dogs, essentially. So, yeah, let's get into what's in this from TwoBlindBrothers.
I don't remember if you say, like, female or male or whatever, but apparently it's supposed to be the softest items or the softest clothing that they make.
Alright, so we got a packing slip. I hope it doesn't say on there what it is.
It just says shop
Nope.
blind letter and...
It does not. There's a letter here. That's pretty cool. It's shopping blind. So
It just tells you about
tells you kind of about what they're all about, basically what we just said. And then here's the product.
Oh, it's a hat.
It's a hat.
It said that you're guaranteed to love it.
Guaranteed to love it. Oh.
Does it have Braille on it?
Yeah.
Nice.
So it's a hat, and it's totally black, but there is Braille right there.
Cool.
Pretty cool, huh? And then actually underneath it says TwoBlindBrothers.
That's actually very sweet.
So really cool. So this is going to be on our eBay store. And like I said, 100% of whatever this sells for is going to go back to charity. In particular, blind charities.
Nice.
And if you guys want to look into, or if you're interested in ordering some of their products, TwoBlindBrothers.com. You can find them on Instagram and Facebook, TwoBlindBrothers. Actually, their Instagram is TwoBlindBrothers, and their Facebook is TwoBlindBros. You can also go to TwoBlindBrothers.com, and you can check out all the stuff they have for sale there. It's a really cool concept and a really cool thing, and a nice way to give back. So
Yeah, you can also not get something. You can actually pick something, like, too.
yeah, you don't have to go totally blind like we did.
This
but
is quality.
We like a mystery, and this one doesn't stink like the last one does, nor does it have
It has a nice
stains all
stretchy
over.
inside.
Yeah,
And you can tell it's, like, really good quality.
yeah, and it's not a snapback either. It's adjustable. So if you have a big head like myself, this will
It's a
still
very
fit
nice
you.
hat.
It is a really nice hat. 100% cotton. So, and it's got all their stuff all over it. Really cool. So,
Yeah.
if you guys want to hop on
I kinda like to keep it for
and donate and auction,
But I'm not going to put on it.
if you guys want to hop on eBay and check out that auction, more than welcome to. Either way, anything that sells for, we are going to give back to charity.
Yeah.
That's about it. So, if you want the hat, go ahead and...
It's really cool. I bet it says TwoBlindBrothers, I'm assuming.
That's our assumption.
I don't.
I don't know. Does
Braille.
Google have a translate for Braille?
They might.
It might be
check it out.
helpful. Anyways, yeah, that's it. thanks so much for watching. If you guys haven't, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Sarah says you have to subscribe.
You have to subscribe.
See, she says it
Immediately.
She says it all the time. Anyways, that's about it. We're gonna wrap it up there. Thanks so much for watching, and check out that auction. Should be live tonight. Well, it should be live when this around the time
Sometime.
the video's live.
Whenever I do it.
Hopefully right after this video, because it's going up tonight. So, thanks so much. Bye.
Good day, sir!